this? What is this doing over here?
That's not mine.
What is
Yes,
that?
it is. It says Guitar Hero.
Yes, it's not for mine. Oh, I bombed out.
I'm not giving our presents yet. No, these are for mine.
What is it? Underwear? Wow, Maddie, what do you got? Princesses? Look at all your princesses, baby. Princess, princess. Wow, Madison.
Pumpkin spice? Yeah. Actually. Left.
Oh, my
God,
God.
sorry. Sorry.
What are you doing? Hmm?
In a knife.
See how she loves those Barbies?
I came back home and got the formula. Did I tell you? Yeah, you called me. Because look at this. That's fine.
Hey, come here. There's more.
No, I didn't give her any of that.
These are the best gifts right here.
Sit down, babe. No, sit down, baby. I
No,
got one
I'm
for
not
you.
saving them.
Sit down, Mama. This is the French toast one. Here, babe. You're welcome.
Oh. Whoa, what is that?
Look.
Princess? Whoa, look at that.
That's for me?
Wow, look at that.
Uh-oh, we lost the crown already. Oh, that's so pretty. Strawberry shortcake.
Whoa, look at those shoes.
Can I have this?
Whoa, princess shoes?
Don't let Lauren see this.
Wow, Madison.
Nice. You bought her little patches. Oh, you bought her pets for the ponies? This is for you, right?
In a pet shop. A pet shop.
That's one of your gifts. No, but don't give it to me now. What is it?
I only got
Don't
one
give it to me now.
picture.
Are you have me? Yeah. Okay.
I already take the picture.
Whoa, look
it's so
at the
pretty.
little
It's
puppy.
little puppy with the
Aw.
cross.
What he doing in there?
It's not dollars, Josie. Oh, it's gonna run and get like 20. Hey, babe.
Who's that?
So nice. Well, this is for her from us. This is for Daddy. I gotta find Daddy's other stuff.
To that, please. Who gives you that?
This we opened up our presents yesterday. They're opening up their presents today,
Sir?
sweetie.
What is this?
Let's see.
Go and put it here.
Hey, no te ni así. Ah!
No, we're gonna be here a while.
Okay, too easy now.
What is that, candy?
Open it.
Yay! Oh!
Pony!
So
There's a
pretty. This is for Daddy. So give this to Daddy.
You can open it for Daddy. Underwear.
Here, right here. There you go.
Whoa, Madison.
Here, look here. Madison, here. Now turn it over. Pull on that and turn it over. There you go.
Wow, Madison.
Did the kids open the gifts from me then?
No, where are they?
Kim's house.
What'd you get? Which ones are they?
Lauren got a pet shop.
Why'd you leave them there?
I figured
You sure they're not in the car? Didn't you bring them back?
Mm-mm.
Mom,
No.
Nope. Why would you
Whoa.
Oh, Daddy.
What
Daddy.
is it?
Wow.
Shorts and a shirt.
Wow, nice.
Wow, thank you. Wow, thank you, Mommy.
Madison, come here.
What else does Madison have
I
to
know,
open?
come here for a second. Come here.
what?
Thank you.
Can I have a hug? No. Give me a hug.
I need that one.
I got a hug before when nobody was here.
She wants more.
Honey, I don't have any more.
I want.
Huh?
Huh? I don't understand.
It's like, please.
No, all this stuff's gotta be cool. Do you want to take the stuff out of this box?
Daddy,
Well, honey,
The candy box and put the box away?
That's your stuff.
you want another princess?
I already have mine in the back room.
Huh?
what?
You want another princess?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want another princess?
Come, princess. Let go. I want that one, princess.
Here, Maddie. You want another princess?
Alright, this is for Paige.
What?
Daddy's got another princess.
My mother-in-law.
What?
So how much do I owe you?
Daddy, that one, that one, princess. Daddy, that one,
I
princess.
think I had it written down. Oh, okay.
I got that princess.
Daddy got another princess for you.
So why don't you call Kim this morning and
What?
see what they're doing?
What, Daddy?
Kim's over. So,
Tell Mommy to film this. Film.
and the presents.
Film.
Mom,
What?
I
Film.
want someone princess.
I gotta find her the ultimate dollar store princess. That I bet she's gonna like better than her other princesses. With her dollar.
Wake her up.
I think Daddy gotta change the diaper. Is that my Christmas present? You know, diaper?
Oh, I gotta take the bag out of there. There's a loaded one in there. Yesterday she had peas and carrots. That was why her butt was red.
Get to feed her something. She's probably starving.
She doesn't act like she's starving.
It's just fruit.
There's still granola.
Yeah, but
She
she
doesn't
didn't
want
like the
granola. It's too thick.
She put formula in it, like I told her to.
Yeah, it's watery, look.
She still doesn't want it.
Right?
Daddy knows what you want, Kansas.